Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to this week's unboxing. Today we're going to be looking at the Sunrite by Mr. Heater. This is a propane heater that is between 30,000 and 60,000 BTUs as is listed on this box right here. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what contents are provided with this heater. In this little unboxing, like I said, we'll be showing you the contents of it, give you guys a little few dimensions, let you know how big it is, just in case you guys don't have access to it. You may have seen it online and you guys just want more info. You guys don't have a local hardware store that actually carries it. For me, I purchased this heater from Menards for about 75 bucks shipped to my door. So with that being said, this is the manual that is provided with the heater. Looks like you got the unit itself, the heater, and provided also is this propane cord, not cord, but line. So this line right here is listed in the item description from reading online. This is a 10-foot lead. So one end, I'm presuming this end, will go to the heater, and this end would screw on to your propane tank. So that is it right there. Then we got the heater itself. As you can tell, it was packaged pretty nicely. So take that, put that outside, put that aside. So all this set aside, this is the heater unit itself. As you can tell, first opening the box, got your dial right here where you can set your temp from low to high. Looks like back here is where you would screw the propane feed line to the rear end, which would be this to this right back here. And also you got your standard American 3-prong outlet connector, and this is what you would plug in to power up your heater. So my first impressions of after unboxing and everything, it's very light. When they shipped the package, they said this was roughly 15 pounds. So I would say it was about 15 pounds, somewhere around there. You can give or take a few pounds. Looks like right here also they got lighting instructions for you how to get this thing fired up to produce heat. Like I stated earlier, this is a 30 to 60,000 BTU heater. Reading online, they said that it would heat sufficiently a 1,150 square feet. So that's how big the room would be, 1,150 square feet. For you guys that are wondering, measurements on the size. So we got about 18¼ inches in length. And that is just the top, like torpedo. The burner side, I'm going to measure the inside canister where the physical burner is. You are looking at about 6¼ So this diameter, this inner burner right here is about 6¼ The outer diameter of the whole unit itself is 7½ inches. Base seems to be very well sturdy. Looks like it is adjustable to set your tilt. There's a, hard to see probably, there's a knob right here that you would turn to adjust your heater height. So that's a neat little feature. Besides that, this is access to the back end of your blower right here, as you can tell. There's all that. Some information on the box if you're wondering. Running at 30,000 BTUs, you're looking on a 20-pound keg about 14 hours. A 40-pound keg, you're looking at 28 hours. And a 100-pound keg at 72 hours. Running at 60,000 BTUs, which is, I guess, a higher temp. At with a 20-pound propane tank, you're looking at 7 hours. 40-pound tank, you're looking at 14 hours, and with a 100-pound tank, you're looking at 36 hours of heat. So there is that. Also, this is compatible only with 20, 40, and 20, 40, and 100-pound kegs. I'm assuming anything, I guess, in there would follow between or would work. I haven't tested it out yet. Like I said, you guys just saw me open this up, but I'm assuming so. It does also come with a standard 1-year warranty. A lot of you guys are probably wondering what this brand is. It's made by Mr. Heater, which is also a reputable brand. So I'm assuming that this would be a good, durable, reliable heater. Besides that, this is all that is provided with your heater. You got your propane line and the heater itself and your instruction manual. So if you guys do want to see this heater in action and want me to do a review of the heater being in use, with that, like sound, how loud is it and anything like that, just go ahead and just go ahead and comment below, and I'll go ahead and once I see that, I'll, there's tons of videos on our channel. I'll go through and respond by posting a video for you guys, and I do post once a week. So with that being said, thanks for tuning in to this week's unboxing of the Sunrite by Mr. Heater 30 to 60,000 BTU propane forced heater. If you guys can, please like and subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on future postings. Alright, thanks again, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.